What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing the MARS Digi Motor, the Azure Digi Motor. It's an X13 replacement motor. It's universal. It'll also replace PSC motors for an upgrade, nice efficiency upgrade. It's a one-stop shop as far as X13 replacement is concerned. They have two of these. This is the X13 PSC. This is the 5th to 1/2 horsepower. They also have a 1/2 to 1 horsepower. As you can see, it's dual voltage, so this will cover air handlers. It'll also cover furnaces. It's a 1075 and it's 5 speeds. So let's get right into it. Got a book. The book's going to have some schematics, wiring diagrams, lots of instructions on what you need to do, speeds, also in different languages, of course, basic mounting tips, things like that. I'll also tell you what all the little fittings will do for connections, and we'll touch on them really briefly. But there is a mode of operation. There's an X13. There's also a rotation. There's voltage, and it'll show you the overview of every one of them and how they're color coded. So not going to get into that a lot. We are going to do an actual detailed install video of this. That's basically what this channel is going to be. There's going to be a lot of us HVAC guys getting together, taking requests in the comments, subscribers, and seeing what they really want. You guys want to see an install video, you guys want to see some troubleshooting, you guys want to see product reviews, whatever you want to see, post the comments. We're really active. We'll jump right on it and show you what we can. Try and get it the same day, next day, within a day or two. We're trying to be very fast with this stuff. So if you got your DIY or you're at home and you're needing to take a look at something, you want to try and install something, you want to do it yourself, post a comment, like and subscribe. Let us know, hey, can you guys show me this? Can you guys take a look at it? We'll do our best to get them up as fast as we can. Okay, so we're going to jump into this motor. Like I said, it's going to look a little complicated. It's really not. It's got a lot of connectors on it, and we'll talk about them. And then it's also going to have a bag full of other connectors. Set that over there. So, as you can see, you've got an X13 connection here. It's going to have the same top connector you use for with power. It's also going to have your speed taps on the bottom. Some manufacturers go 1 to 5 for the speed taps. There are a few manufacturers and some older equipment that went 5 to 1. So if you pull it off speed tap 2, don't just hop in here and jump right back on speed tap 2. You might be backwards. You might be out. So they're usually a percentage base. Again, the book's going to tell you what you need to do in that route. Here's our blue connector for X13s. I believe it says open is X13, and when you close it, now it's a PSC replacement. Obviously, there are going to be some more things you need to do. The book's going to tell you to attach connectors down here. So read through it depending on what your application is. You're going to have the power down here. You got the red fitting. And it's going to be the same thing. Open is going to be one and close the other. In this case, close is 115 volt. Open is air handler 230 volt. You got your counterclockwise and clockwise rotation connectors. And then you're going to have the programming port. Okay, this is a self-programming motor. What that means is if you install this motor, close all the cabinets up, you're going to power it up, it's going to learn what torque rating it's going to need, what RPM settings it needs as far as the percentages, and then it's going to learn its horsepower, and it's going to program that based on static pressure. Okay, so a lot of people ask me when I'm doing these, especially at the supply houses, well, what if I come back and change everything? You know, what if somebody comes back and puts a new return in? It does anything like that. The nice benefit to this, you'll still have the programming switch. So when everything's done, you've redone the ductwork, maybe you've changed the plenum, you've done anything like that, go back through and reprogram this motor. It'll relearn what it needs to learn. It'll learn the new static pressure. Got a new filter box, maybe a bigger filter. You went to a cake box filter, an Aprilaire, something like that. Your static pressure changes. This thing can reprogram itself. You will not get that with other motors, especially factory motors. So again, I think it's a very versatile motor. As far as PSC replacements, nice efficiency increase. It's not as great as going to a variable speed, obviously, but somebody that's maybe upgrading just a coil and a condenser air conditioner, and they want that little bit of extra efficiency, putting one of these in gives them that benefit. Okay. Another great feature of this one is a built-in surge protector. It's got a speed clip on it, down at the top and the bottom. And this is a serviceable part from MARS. This one's going to give me a little trouble. There we go. So I keep one of these on the van, just in case I have one or run across somebody that's installed one and it blew up. I have a lightning strike, power surge. This is a great feature of this motor. It's really quick, really easy. In the middle of the night, customer has a problem, surge protector's blown, you can take these clips, clip them back together, bam, they're ready to go. Then you can order this part, come back and replace it. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, same process. You wake up in the middle of the night and this thing's out, you can just connect it and then order you a new surge protector. There's a clip here for when you go to PSC. Again, we're not going to talk much about that, we'll do it on the install. There's a bag of connectors, wire harnesses, everything you would need to hook it up depending on your application. It also has the programming wiring in here and everything. So again, guys, it's a really nice motor, really great motor. I've used them quite a bit. I haven't had any issues with them. Let me know in the comments, again, if you guys are using these or maybe you thought about using it. Hopefully this will help you get over that hump. And thanks for watching.